In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Spotify to Instagram Notes. By the end, you'll be able to show the song you're listening to right at the top of your Instagram inbox. It's quick, it's simple, and I'll walk you through each tap so you don't miss anything. First, open the Spotify app and start playing the song you want to share. It can be any track, an album cut, a playlist favorite, or something you just discovered. Let it play so Spotify recognizes it as your current track. You don't need to blast the volume, and you can leave it playing softly or even pause it after a moment. The key is that Spotify stays open and active in the background. Now switch over to Instagram. Open the app and head to your inbox, also known as your DMs. This is where the notes feature lives. At the top of your inbox, you'll see the notes row. Tap your profile icon there to open the notes area, then tap your note. This is your note composer where you can write something short and, in this case, attach the music you're listening to. If you don't see notes, make sure your Instagram app is updated, and keep in mind the feature may roll out gradually depending on your region or account. In the note composer, tap the music icon. You'll see options to attach what you're playing. Look for the Spotify sharing option so Instagram can pull in the current track directly from Spotify. When you see your song, tap the arrow or select button next to it. If the track doesn't show up right away, switch back to Spotify for a second, hit play again, and then return to Instagram. Keeping Spotify active in the background usually resolves this. Back in Instagram, you can add a short caption or leave it just as the song. When you're happy with it, tap share. That's it. Your Instagram note will now display the Spotify song you're listening to. It appears at the top of your inbox for your followers who can see your notes, making it an easy way to share what's on repeat without creating a full post or story. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Make sure both Spotify and Instagram are updated to the latest versions. Keep Spotify running in the background while you set up the note, and remember that not all regions or accounts may have this feature yet. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Spotify tips and tutorials.